Hey there, everybody. My name is Allison Ostrander. I'm the Director of Risk Tolerance here at Simpler Trading. And for this video, I am looking at a potential setup here on Schwab. Now, the reason why I'm looking at this is because Schwab is in an overall bullish trend after being stuck in this range of consolidation. We do have a little bit of pullback here on momentum, but what I really like about this is we have earnings coming up. We've done a really good job of holding $100 as a psychological level, and we have a valid bullish divergent bar at 102.28 that printed yesterday. And Schwab has a 9 out of 10 follow-through rate, meaning 9 out of 10 times, at least to date, Schwab typically gets that follow-through with a higher high on a daily chart. So really good follow-through rate. And we didn't quite get there this morning, and on the pullback, it means that we can jump into this for a potential discount price. Now, I'm debating about jumping into this into the close here, but you might wait till tomorrow to confirm it's going to hold $100 as a support level, and then if it can, this is the strategy I'd be looking at. So right now, the 102 strike is about 50 cents, relatively inexpensive. And looking for that quick scalp move back up into 102.28, if not be back up into the top of this range around 104. If you want to give yourself a little bit of time on this trade, you could consider going out to next week's expiration. The downside is it will definitely cost more because it's technically after the earnings announcement. So the option premium builds up a bit more strongly, which means it's a bit more expensive to jump in. But the good news is as long as it doesn't fall down and fall apart, it also holds on to that premium pretty well because of earnings, because of that uncertainty of how the price can move around the announcement. Now, if your risk tolerance can go up to, this 221 range, you could go with the same strike and play it that way. If you have a smaller account and want to reduce your risk, you might consider a vertical spread, the 102, 105 vertical spread, 3-point width. It's about $1.02. If we get that nice bounce up to start to push that 102 strike in the money, you should still be able to scalp it for an overall profit. So that's what I'm looking at for a potential trade idea here into the close today. Once again, if you don't manage to jump into this into the close, what I would just look to confirm tomorrow is that 100 holds. And if it does break 100, hold the 30 and ATR and bounces back up, especially if it forms another bullish divergent bar on the day, then I still like the setup overall to try and play to that 102.28 target before the end of the week. If not, maybe up into 104 before earnings again. Thank you all so much for joining me. As always, may the trade be with you, my fellow Jedis, and I look forward to talking to you next time. Bye.
Hey, Allison Ostrander here, Director of Risk Tolerance at Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and comment down below to help us out. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release our next video. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. As always, may the trade be with you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.